Have you ever thought of having an indoor garden? aspara Stylist Smart Grower is perfect for you. To grow fresh and delicious food for your family in an easy way. Step into a healthier lifestyle. aspara inspires curiosity in children. Growing plants is a fun activity for children that enables learning about nature. Pair it with seed kits. Select designated plant programs to grow edible plants and superfoods for a healthier us. Plant programs create the most suitable growth environment per each plant species for better plants and for a better world. Observe the plants using our mobile app. Personalize aspara to express creativity. With the extendable feature, the height is adjustable to fit taller plants. Stack the devices to decorate your home. Share happy moments with your loved ones. aspara is suitable for bookshelf, kitchen, office, or any space and corner. An optional wireless planting sensor detects environmental conditions. The patent-pending variable like spectrum creates nature in a box. So plants in aspara grow 50% faster compared to plants grown in soil. Planting with aspara is easy and clean. It is pollution-free and worries-free too. You will be notified of your plant's needs. aspara is energy efficient and uses 90% less water. Growing your own plants in aspara reduces ecological footprint. Remote monitor the plant status and control settings using the mobile app. Share successful planting experiences to create bonding with friends and family for a better society. aspara is more than a smart grower. We care about people, society, and our Mother Earth. Explore with us.